How to unlink Epic Games account from a Rockstar Social Club. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys. It's a pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So what you basically want to do is if you go to accounts and then to apps and accounts, you can see that Social Club is not here. We cannot unlink it or anything right over here, which is quite annoying. And if I go to my Rockstar Games account, then to settings and then linked accounts, you can also see that vice versa, Epic Games is not over here. Now there is basically only way to actually do this, and that is to go to the support from Rockstar Games. Now then over here you want to select Social Club, and then here it says Social Club account, and then here you can actually see that it says account linking over here. Now, if you click on here, you first of all should enter your PSN ID or gamer tag or Social Club nickname for PC. And then here in the description, type in something like, hey, I would like to unlink my Epic Games account. And then what you should do is also add your Epic Games account ID over here. Now, how can you find that? Simply go to your settings again, and here you can see your Epic Games ID. And then simply just submit a web ticket. And you can see that the estimated response is usually under 24 hours. So I hope this will be able to fix it for you. Now, if that doesn't work, then what you can actually try and is go to the Epic Games support. Now, if you search for Epic Games support and then simply click over here, then click on accounts, then to accounts over here, then scroll a little bit down and simply click on send request. And then over here, you can see everything. So here you want to make sure what platform you're on. And then here you want to select accounts, and then here linked or console account. And here you want to describe your problem. So basically the same as you did over here, but just do the reverse and then add your Social Club name in here and then submit an email request. And hopefully, if this method didn't work, then hopefully this one will work for you. So that is how to unlink Epic Games account from Rockstar Social Club.